I'm Stuart from Stuart Horn Brickwork. As a business, we do a lot of restoration brickwork and a lot of grinding out of mortar joints, installing heli bars and such like. Generally quite dusty work. We've been using dust extraction on our grinding and pointing jobs for about 18 months now, and it makes a huge difference to A, the job, our healths, and B, neighbours in the near vicinity. Obviously, if you've had any experience in grinding out mortar before, you can appreciate it's a very, very dusty process. The particular shroud I mainly use is the 125mm, and I use that on a Makita grinder. To be honest with you, initially I thought a bit sceptically about it. I kind of thought, well, how much dust is this actually going to catch? You know, but I went ahead and bought the equipment. I bought the grinder shroud and the appropriate hoover to take care of the work. The difference it makes having the dust extraction on, you're taking away 90% of the dust, you know, and that can only be a good thing for your health and other people's health in the vicinity, and also with the clearing up it makes things a lot easier. The best thing for me about the angle grinder shroud is the fact that it's quite easy to move in position when it's attached to the grinder, so you can get different angles and get into different spots with just an easy move of the hand. It's not fixed in a certain position, which gives you a good position to be able to get into different areas that you need to be getting into whilst performing the job. One of the main benefits I think for me is it looks way more professional. Obviously beyond the dust and health aspects of it, I mean, you look way more professional when you're not spewing dust out into a public road or a public street, or if you might be working near a school and then it's all the dust clouds are spilling out over a school environment, then I mean that doesn't look great for professionalism. I mean, tilers could use them to keep the dust out when doing intricate cuts in tiling, and obviously bricklayers can use them for various different bits and pieces. I'd imagine they'd be quite handy in the plumbing trade as well, for plumbers that are chasing out walls as well, sparkies that need to do any chasing out. These would all work well in your sort of trades as well. It's not just bound to pointing removal or whatever, you know, there's multiple uses which is going to help keep the dust down and therefore become a safer workplace.